Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will do this video because of one of my member in my WhatsApp group community. He requested I should do this video, and I'm doing it for him and others that are having the same questions. Now, how to create this wallet on Array? You can see your mining. You can see your mining. You can see the mining balance. Don't mind this amount. Forget about this price. Forget about this $19 I'm seeing here. Forget about it. This is what you should focus on. Number one, and the mining time to restart. Those are the two things. Forget about these ones. Don't think about the price. Forget about the price. Think about the available balance you need. This is what you need to increase, and the time for you to restart the mining. These are the two basic things to focus on. Forget about this price. This does not matter now. Now, how to create wallet? Go to this section here. Go to this section here. Click on it. You can see I've created the wallet. For you to create new one, be showing for you now that I've not created this wallet. It will be showing this. It will be showing this way. Now let me go to setting. This is setting. How to create new ones. Go to setting. You can switch your account balance to euro or euro dollars. Now go to switch wallet. Now for me, I've created wallet. That's why it's asking me to switch wallet. Now let's go. Now it will say important message. Make sure you read the message. I will not be doing this. Read this message yourself. Read them. Each account can synchronize only one wallet, which is your name and your account can only create one wallet. Don't try to do multiple wallets, which is this wallet is entitled to one mobile phone, which is the 3 wallets you are allowed to create. It's tied to one mobile phone, so you can't create more than 3 wallets, and the version is not stable yet. It says you should be cautious. This version is not stable yet. They can modernize and edit it in the future. So the key point, read these things, and after click I've done reading it, it will show the next option. Click I've done and I've understood. It will show continue. Now it will show register new account. You can see my country. You can see my name. This is my username. This is my country. This is my username. This is my country. And this is the warning they'll give to you. See, each user account only create and connect only one wallet address. Be sure the information will synchronize your identifier. No more wallet can be created with this account. It means that this your number. This is my mobile. I close it for some reasons, and this is my mobile number. After registration, your mobile number will be there. It will be showing here. Now, the second option is to continue. Let's continue now. And choose a memory category. Now, choose anyone you wish to choose. Continue. Click anyone. Continue. Now, this passphrase, they will give you a seed phrase which you will copy. This is not my seed phrase. Don't try to copy this and try to use my wallet. You are wasting your time. For hackers, I'm saying this for hackers. Now, don't expose this publicly. I've told you how to secure your wallet. Go watch out the video in this channel. Search out the channel. You will see the videos about securing your funds in this channel. So, number one, they will give you a number 1 to 12 seed phrase. Write it down. Copy it and write it down. The safe way is to have a book and copy your passphrase down. Number 2, after processing, I will not be proceeding because I'm not creating this wallet. And if I'm creating, I will not be recording. Understand? So they will give you a 12 passphrase to write down. Secondly, they will give you a hash code. Now, the hash code cannot be processed except you have copied this down. Okay? Copied. Group phrase with only warning. Now, you can only create one wallet. You understand? Only one wallet at a time. So seed phrase saved. Now you say you copied and you say key phrase saved, and you will go to the next phase where you will be giving hash code. Copy it. Now you will give you a QR code. QR code is an image of your wallet. So it simply means your wallet words into code. These are ways to identify somebody. It's just like your physical form and your spiritual form. No, your spiritual form is unseen by humans. Your physical form is seen by only humans and spirits as well, but the spiritual forms is only seen by spirits, not human. Now, these are things that your QR code does. Is a code. It's not seen by a normal human being. You can't read code, but you can screenshot it and the wallet will recognize it because it's not human, it's a robot. So they have different way of identification. So the hash code is also a way, all of them represent one thing. They represent this number 1 to 12 phrase. It's either you have your seed phrase. If you want to, anytime you want to log into the wallet, they will ask you to input either your seed phrase, your hash code, or your QR code. Now, these things are things you needed to access your wallet, even though if you lost your account. Now, you need to access these things to regain them back. These are critical steps. Now, I'm doing this for you. You that requested this video, take note of these things. After creating these things, safeguard your wallet in a private place. Write it down, safeguard it in your key, in your bookmark, and don't let people to be seeing your passphrase. It's very necessary to secure your passphrase, your wallet. And secondly, save all the 3 codes: number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2, number 3. Save them in a safe place, and so that anytime you want to log in, you can use it to log in back. And I hope I've helped you to create your wallet. After putting this thing, you will go to the next phase and you will be instructed to write them one after the other. You will write number 1, which is beer. You write number 1, which is beer. They will say number 2, which is sun. Number 12, research. So put them down. So whenever they say you should put number 1 word, go to where you save the passphrase and put the number 1 word. If you are requested to put lake, let's say number 5 word, go to where you save it and put lake, and it will be processed. That's all. And go to your code, your QR code, and you are done. Copy them and your wallet will be open just like mine. So guys, I hope I've helped you. So if you like this video, share to people that are having this issue and share to them. Like the video so that it will encourage me to do more. So for those of you that requested this creation, like this video, comment in this comment section, like this video and share it, because I did this because of you and for those that are having issues of creating wallet. Now use this, understand and save this video for future use, and share it as well to people that are new to creating wallet, so that they will not be having issue to ask this question again. There's no need to ask question 100 times when there is solution already. So share it to people that are having this issue so that their wallet can be creating everything. Voila, your wallet will be like this. And after verification, like I'm new to this mining, I'm just entering it not quite long. So after proper verification, your block will be showing here, the numbers will be showing here, and in the future, maybe the conversation. If there's any need for conversation, you might be showing these 2 things. These are the 2 valuable coins currently. These are 2 valuable coins. So guys, this is all about it for today. More videos will be coming on Rubi. If only I see requests, if I see people that request that I should create videos, solutions on anything, I will create it. That is how I'm here for you. I'm here to help you, to assist you in the industry. With my experience of many years in the industry, trading, investing, farming, and what have you, I'll be teaching you how to solve issues that you are new to. Most of you just came to the industry last year. Some came this year. Some are just some don't even have trading experience. Some don't have investment experience. Some don't even have farming experience. So that's why I'm here for you. I'm here to help you, to assist you in any way you are finding issues, problem. Here, indicate in the comment section and always ask. I will leave the link to my WhatsApp group community, so you can DM me through my WhatsApp group community. This person that requested this video is from my WhatsApp group community. That's why I see this video, I see this request quickly and make this video for him and to others that are having this issue. So I will leave the link to my WhatsApp group community so that you can join and make money like others that are making money in the industry. So guys, bye for now. Peace out. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to get more updates from me. So guys, bye for now. Watch out for more videos. Peace out.